Elizabeth has to face the wrath of King Edward, Catherine Parr, Thomas Seymour, and more in this exclusive preview of the June 26th episode of Becoming Elizabeth. When Elizabeth walks into the room, she is clearly terrified. "Mary's angry at us," her brother says to her. Elizabeth doesn't understand. Thomas mentions that Catherine's gift didn't help with the Mary situation, so they're trying to settle the tension with the release of a Catholic bishop. "This is no gift. This is trying to repair the damage of her letter," Edward Seymour says. Elizabeth is still incredibly confused. Catherine fills her in. "You wrote a letter to your sister Mary the First, had just been told. Apparently, she was much alarmed by it, about how you told you and your brother, the king, are united against her," Catherine tells Elizabeth. Elizabeth tries to explain. "No, not against." Edward chimes in and reveals that Mary has been compelled to protect herself. What the Princess Mary deems protecting herself I would not like to know. He adds, "As a Catholic, she has great support. She could pose a threat to the crown. This sparks fear in the king. I didn't do anything. Tell Mary that. I didn't ask her to do this," King Edward screams. Everyone turns to Elizabeth and has a look of rage in her eyes. She's running out of allies. She can't trust anyone in this room. Not at the moment, at least. Hollywoodlife spoke exclusively with the show's EPs about how Elizabeth's early years were filled with strife for the young princess. She doesn't know that she's going to become queen. She's got no idea that's going to happen, EP George Orman said. She's got a really rocky road to try and navigate. It's very, very dangerous, so following those really formative years is totally fascinating. Becoming Elizabeth airs Sundays on Stars.